Hello welders. Today we're going to talk about how to change the home point on a program using the ESAB Cobot. So what we're going to do, in our parts library, we're going to select the part that we want to edit. And once we're in the Teach menu, we're going to select the three dots in the top right corner. From here we'll go to Part Details. And then under Settings, Home Waypoint, I'm going to select Touch Up Point. The blue teach light will signal that it is ready to be taught. And what we can do is, this is my home point already. Say there's fixturing in the way, or the part's big and it needs to maneuver around the part, we can change the home position. So I'm going to move it over here. I'm going to click the blue teach button. And then in the app, I'm going to save. And it's going to ask me if I want this to be the home position for just this part or for every other part going forward. I'm going to select no because I just want it to be for just this part. And then it'll take me back to my Teach menu and my part's ready to run. So let's move it over here. Press play on our operator panel. And we'll see that once this part's finished, it's going to move back to my new home point. And there you have it. It's just that easy. And remember, keep it simple. Cobot.